Hello fellow makers, welcome back to 3D Printed Soup's 3D Printed Advent Calendar with me, Father Printmas. Now it's that time of year where a mysterious and enigmatic stranger from your childhood returns to visit you and bring wonderful joy in this time of the season. That's right, it's the Book of Boba Fett on the 29th of December. Oh, also there's Christmas as well, but who cares about that when you have Disney Plus? Now, in the keeping of Star Wars and Christmas, we have this wonderful 3D print. It is a Snowflake TIE Fighter. It's a TIE Fighter which is made up of snowflakes. It's another one of these Christmas card prints where you snip them out and they make a 3D model. It's an absolutely wonderful design and it looks very, very cool. I can't wait to build it. It's by this maker, fixumdude, and it's very, very cool. It was removed from Thingiverse, but it's still available on other websites. Links in the description below. And yes, I'd definitely recommend printing this for your family and friends. You could slip it inside an envelope and send it as a Christmas card. Thank you for watching 3D Printed Soup. Stay happy, stay safe, keep printing.